So couldn't really make a video in the morning because the batteries apparently were too cold, didn't want to last. But we left at 7:12. We had ice on the inside of the tent, but not the outside and not the fly. The lake was started to ice over last night. We ran into a couple hikers that where did they say they camped last night?
They camped the same place we did.
Horseshoe? Okay.
Yeah.
And they said it was 22 degrees there last night, so we definitely got into the teens. And I was mostly warm until towards the end when I was a little cold.
I didn't get cold till about 5 a.m.
Yeah. He got kind of cold. I had on a lot of stuff. I had on my base layer, my shirt, my down jacket, my down vest, wool Jeep cap, Norwegian wool tube scarf, wool gloves, pants, double socks, and of course my sleeping bag. And managed to stay warm for most of the night, but man, it was a cold night. Sometimes that wind would come up really strong and it would just shake the tent really hard.
Yeah, I woke up a few times from it.
Oh yeah, I'm surprised you woke up from it. But
it was pretty powerful.
Yeah, it was powerful. Man, that sucker, I was like, I hope it doesn't continue like this. I'm afraid it's gonna blow something away. But
all our gear was there in the morning.
What's that?
All our stuff was there in the morning.
Yeah, all our stuff was there in the morning.
We were probably the only one close to that lake for a long time. We heard somebody.
Yeah,
I
saw a few people yesterday come up to the lake, but I did not hear or see them go past us. So I assume they turned back. And I was like at 5 o'clock, so it was kind of weird. Because I mean, it's about to get dark at that time and stuff. And it was definitely getting cold. But it's been nice to enjoy the cold weather. Somebody peed there, I think.
Oh, yeah.
It could have peed off the trail. Would have been nice. But
we're making pretty good time.
Yeah, we are making good time.
I think the burger and pancakes are driving us forward.
Yes, we plan to go to Whitney Portal to eat. I look forward to eating one of their pancakes again. They're ginormous pancakes. And I do believe they have burgers, so he plans on eating burgers and stuff. And then we're going to head home. And it is currently 8:16, so we've been hiking for just over an hour. And we already passed the junction and stuff. And the day hikers we passed. We're going to do Mount Langley today and then head back. And it's been really pretty. It's been nice. We're definitely making more time this morning because we're more acclimated. We're rested up. Some of it's downhill. And, you know, we are going down in elevation now, so we are getting more oxygen. So that's nice.
Yeah, right now we're probably around 10,300 feet or so. And
no, we're higher than that because Horseshoe's about 10 or 10.2 or whatever, and we still got a ways to go. But
right here is where we got 10.4 on the altimeter.
Yeah, but we also don't know how accurate the altimeter is, but yeah, it's probably around that. But
yeah,
we got some ups and downs to do too.
Yeah, so we do go 600 feet down, 600 feet up, so we've been going 600 feet down right now, so we're probably going to hit uphill the next hour or two, or less, depending on how fast we're going.
Well, I plan for us to be out of the trailhead before 12, so hopefully that is the case.
If we keep this pace up, we'll probably be there around, let's see, 11.
Maybe, but we got uphill, so we know we won't keep this pace up. Oh look, here's a creek crossing.
Here's our third creek crossing.
Let's see if we got any ice on here.
We got some here. It's definitely 19 or 17 up there.
I don't see much.
Nope.
Nope, flowing
That
too
was pretty
swiftly.
hard though. Right, let's not fall in and freeze.
Yeah, well, my boots are waterproof.
Mine are waterproof, but they're shorties.
Yeah, which is another reason why I like mine, because they're not shorties.
But mine are lighter. You know.
True,
Yeah.
yours are lighter.
It really depends on what trail you're doing.
Yep.
So these things breathe pretty well too. So
So we're at that junction. So we got, I think, like a couple miles left.
yeah, we're a little more than halfway now.
Yeah.
So we have one more creek crossing right by the meadow. This is where we start getting pooped out because we're so hungry.
Yeah, we did get hungry. I'm actually starting to get hungry now. We didn't cook breakfast this morning, but I ate a Stinger energy chew, and
I'm still full.
I don't know how you're full.
Oh, I ate a lot of food. So
You only had 2 packets of oatmeal last night.
Well, yeah, but I had a giant lunch. I
Yeah.
had half a thing of salami, and then I had 2 energy bars. That's about 500 calories.
You
Just
got
right
snow
there,
here
the
too.
energy bar. Yeah, we got some snow intermittent between the trails.
Anyway, I'll
We'll see you at the hamburger or the pancake place.
well, you'll see us before then, and also there,
Yeah.
because I do want to show everybody why you should eat at Whitney Portal.
Yeah.
They do have good food, providing it's not closed, which I don't think it is.
I hope they have milkshakes.
I can't remember, but I think they do.
I know that's weird since it's freezing cold, but
Okay, so it's 8:46. We went over our last creek crossing, and we are probably about half a mile, maybe 0.6 miles to getting out. So we're actually making really good time, as we haven't even been hiking 2 hours. We've been going at a good pace. I know we got some uphill ahead of us, but it's a beautiful morning. Definitely warming up.
yeah.
So I'll probably end up taking off my down vest soon. It's probably still in the 30s, but I'm getting hot.
Yep, we're coming up on our last water bridge.
Water break.
Water crossing.
I think we just did that.
Nope, right here. This is where we're first place we saw snow. Coming up
I
on
think we already did that water crossing. Because it was that,
No, it's right here, see? Look, the snow.
well, I know the snow is there. But I don't think we have any more crossings.
I think we got one more.
Well, then we might be further out than I think, but I don't know.
Oh, the creek's a lot of it frozen.
Maybe we might have one more. But we're making good time. And I'm looking forward to eating at the portal. Okay, so I wasn't really counting the creek crossings. I just thought that the first one had the flat top like the one we crossed last, but we're at the last creek crossing now, which means we have 1.2 miles left before the trailhead, so we should get there before 11. So it'll probably take us, I don't know, 30-40 minutes, depending how fast we're going. I know we got some uphill, but I see the creek crossing now.
Last one.
Yep.
This is the one.
Yeah.
Right here.
So this one does have a flat top too. No wonder I got confused. But I wasn't really counting them anyway.
Going up to the lakes. How was it? Badass?
It was
It's
very
good.
cold.
It's cold.
Oh,
Probably
yeah.
in the teens.
Yeah, yeah. Did you fish at all?
Nope.
No,
It's,
didn't really see
freezing
any
over.
fish at South Fork.
Yeah, yeah. Well, good luck, gentlemen.
Thank
You
you
too.
too. Happy trails.
Yeah, you too, man. Thank you for saying that.
No problem.
Old school hiker.
Yep.
From the 60s. I heard certain things taste better at altitude.
Oh, I'm sure they do.
Like I had Coca-Cola at 50,000. Oh, that was,
50,000.
that's in a plane.
They don't generally go up to 50,000.
Huh?
Usually between 30 and 40.
That's what the readout on the screen said.
Of whose
We're-
screen?
So on plane style, they give you a readout of the diagnostics of the plane.
Huh.
So they give you speed, airspeed. There's a headwind where you're at.
What plane was it?
It was a Boeing. It was a bit. It was a bigger jet.
How
but
many engines?
It was a 4.
Okay, so it's probably 747.
It wasn't though. It was a smaller one because we were landing on Hawaii.
Huh.
Hawaii can only take 2 planes at a time. At the airstrip we were landing at. That's sort of big planes like that. So
Interesting.
and you land right on the tarmac. So there's no like boxing like in California when you walk through. You're
Yeah.
right on the tarmac. Which is pretty crazy. But we got up to 362 miles an hour.
Nice.
And we had a tailwind there and back, so we were bucking it. Especially with that big of a jet.
It is 10:04, and we are about to exit the trailhead. So we hiked out pretty quick, actually. 7:12, almost 3 hours, or about 3 hours.
There's the cars.
Yep.
Bathroom and food, here we come. And water.
Yep. We are both hungry. I think we're gonna do a little bit of clothes changing and then head to Whitney Portal.
Here we are.
That's right.
We're gonna use the bathroom. And let's go to the car bathroom so we can change all that.
Alright. Sounds good to me.
Oh, collapse my poles right there.
Huh?
I'm gonna start collapsing my poles.
Oh yeah. Wow, there's a lot of people up here now.
Oh yeah.
Holy cow.
We hiked that just before the time.